Mardi Gras celebrations this year in New Orleans. The city tried to squeeze a bunch of those traditional parades in really early this morning before some dangerous storms move into the area. Tornadoes are even possible throughout the day. Several parades were canceled. Most were scaled back and others got rolling when it was still dark, with much smaller casts and much shorter routes.
I'm sure it was still a good time, though.
Yeah.
They do know how to throw a party in New Orleans. Let's go over to meteorologist Brianna Ruffalo. We have rain coming our way, and it's going to be here for a bit.
Yeah, we have several opportunities over the next, week and even past the next 7 days. So we're looking at 3 storms, the first one being tomorrow and Thursday for this week. And so we're going to start to see things really shift as we get into tomorrow. So enjoy the sunshine while we have it. It's cool outside, 63 degrees in downtown LA. This afternoon should be pretty mild. Some areas you might want to keep a sweater on hand. Others should be pretty nice. We have some sunshine over into Long Beach, and it's warming up there too. It's about 64 degrees in the Long Beach area, but most areas we're still seeing a lot of 50s, a lot of 60s. Riverside's one of those spots where you just don't need a sweater right now. It's about 72. Elsewhere, we are mostly dealing with some pretty cool conditions. And then we'll get into this afternoon, and it won't be too cold, but you're going to want the heavier jackets back as we get into tomorrow and Thursday. These temperatures are really going to dip with this storm. Now, we're going to see rain, we're going to see snow in our mountains, and we're going to see some pretty gusty winds too, so it's going to be cold. Now, the rain's not going to be lasting all day long tomorrow, but I'm going to time it out for you in a moment. But I just wanted to show you, we have the winter storm watch in place for our mountains. That will get upgraded to a warning, up to a foot of snow, between 6 inches and a foot, above 5,000 feet, and above 7,000 feet, up to 2 feet possible. So we're warming up a little bit today because of this ridge, and then this trough's going to swing on through, and it's going to help facilitate some of this weather that we're going to see in the next 2 days. So by tomorrow morning, about 9 a.m., we'll already be seeing some light rain areas of Ventura County, potentially northern LA County. So it's not going to be a lot of rain on the very early morning commute. And then in more northern areas, you should have it for your morning commute. And then areas like the IE and OC, we won't be seeing it closer to about midday in the afternoon. By 4 p.m., we're still seeing some showers, but areas north will start to dry out and get a little bit of a break. And there's going to be a lull overnight into Thursday morning with still some spotty showers possible. But then we get into Thursday afternoon, and we're going to have a second round of some more widespread rain Thursday afternoon. This is all from the same storm, but we're going to get a little break in between, some showers and rain on Wednesday, somewhat of a break overnight, and then it's going to return as we head into your Thursday. Showers could be a little bit heavier on Thursday too in certain areas, especially to the south and east, so we might pick up some more rainfall totals there as we get a little further south and east. Then this weekend, this nice ridge is going to build back in. We're going to actually have some pretty mild temperatures on your Saturday and Sunday, so you get to enjoy it outdoors this weekend before we have the next round that rolls right back in on Monday. And then it looks like we'll get a little in between day or days, and then another round potentially by next Thursday. So this one's still pretty far out to have many details with both of those. But just know that we do have the potential for 2 more storms next week, which will be really great. We need the rain, and just hopefully it's not going to be a whole lot all at once. Most of this should be beneficial. There's a small chance that we could get a little bit more moderate rainfall in certain pockets, and maybe even a thunderstorm. Small chance, but it's there for this one Wednesday into Thursday. So just know that is when we could see some flooding concerns. For the most part, hopefully we won't, but if we see thunderstorms, hail is possible, and then some of those gusty, erratic winds and rotating winds too. So we'll see what happens as we get into your Wednesday, Thursday, and we'll be timing it out for you tomorrow. Mostly just about a half of an inch for LA County, Orange County. And then if you're near the valleys and Inland Empire, the IE has a better opportunity to pick up some more rainfall totals because that's where we're seeing some more moderate and heavier rain as we head into especially your Thursday. Now, as we head into the weekend, we're going to dry out, and then we have more rain and cooler temperatures on your Monday, but at least you can make some weekend plans outdoors. That's going to be nice. The beaches will be cool today, but then cold Wednesday, Thursday. The mountains, we will dry out right by the weekend, so it'll be great to go skiing. And then Monday, we have some more snow back in the forecast. High desert, 65 degrees today. We are down to some 50s tomorrow and some winds, so it is going to be chilly on Thursday, 52 degrees and windy. And then we'll at least see some relief and warm up over the weekend. Philip, Giovanna, back to you.
Okay, pull out those jackets.
Yeah.
Thank you, Bree. Here are a couple of events coming up in your community. On Saturday, March 8th, La Plaza de la Raza will host its La Ofrenda as part of the 3rd annual Mexica New Year celebration at their location in Los Angeles.